Good morning, friends. Today we will discuss about the froth production process of oats. During the metallurgy, oats powdered ore is concentrated. Powdered ore is concentrated by different methods like the hydraulic washing, magnetic separation. These two methods I had already discussed in the previous video. And in this video, I will discuss about the next method, that is a froth production process, or you can say froth production method. First point, you must know that this method is used for the sulfide ore. This method is used for sulfide ore. This is used for sulfide ore. I mean to say the ores which have sulfur, they are called sulfide ore. That is why if the ore is sulfide form, then concentration of ore is carried out by the froth production process. First important point, that this method is used for sulfide ore. This is a question of 1 mark. Generally asked examination, which type of ores are concentrated by this method? Your answer will be sulfide ore. If the question asks sulfide ores are concentrated by which method, then your answer will be froth production process. And it is based on the wetting tendency of the ore and gangue. It is based on the wetting tendency of ore and gangue. It is based on the wetting tendency of ore and gangue. I think you know already the substance which are dissolved in the oil, or which are wet in the oil, they do not dissolve in the water, and the substance which are dissolved in the water, they do not dissolve in the oil. Like you can say that common salt is soluble in water, but it is insoluble in oil. The substances which are dissolved in the water are not dissolved in the oil, and the substances which are soluble in oil, they are insoluble in water. And it is based on the wetting tendency of ore and gangue. Since gangue are hydrophilic in nature and ores are hydrophobic in nature. Hydrophobic, hating from the water. Hydrophilic, loving for the water. Since gangues are hydrophilic in nature, it means they have tendency to dissolve in water. That is why gangues are weighted by Since they are hydrophilic in nature, gangues are weighted by water. And ores are hydrophobic. They do not dissolve in water. That is why they dissolve in the oil. They are weighted by oil. Gangue are hydrophilic in nature. Ores are hydrophobic in nature. Since they are hydrophilic, gangue are dissolved, gangue are weighted by the water, and ore are weighted by the oil. That is, you can say this method is based on the preference weighting of the ore and gangue. For the process, this is we take a tank. Tank is filled with water. Tank is filled with water. Tank is filled with water. After then, ore is added. Ore plus potassium ethyl xanthate. Potassium ethyl xanthate, pine oil or eucalyptus oil or added into the container, into the tank, and after then you can see air is blown, air is passed into it, or you can say it can be agitated. This is the substances which are dissolved in the water, ore, potassium ethyl xanthate and pine oil, and then it is agitated or air is blown. Then some foam of froth is formed. Foam is formed, and foam या froth, you can say jhag, it will be situated, located on the upper side of this part, upper area. This is froth. This is froth. What happens? You can see pine oil provide the stability to the froth. Pine oil provide the stability to the froth, and potassium ethyl xanthate collect the ore and it carry to the froth. Potassium ethyl xanthate, repeating again, potassium ethyl xanthate collects the ore particle and carry to the froth. Gang will left behind and it will settle down at the bottom part. You can see ore particles are collected by the potassium ethyl xanthate and carried to the froth area, while the gang will settle down. In this way, you can say ore and gangs both are separated. You know that because the pine oil provides a stability to the foam or froth. That is why pine oil is called the frother. And the potassium ethyl xanthate collect the ore particle to the foam. That is why it is called as collector. Potassium ethyl xanthate. Potassium ethyl xanthate is called collector and pine oil is called frother. This method is used for the dressing of the ores, dressing of the sulfide ore only. When sulfur is present in the ores, then you have to use the froth rotation process, and it is based on the wetting tendency of the ore and gangue. You have to keep in your mind that which type of ore are used, which type of ore are concentrated by this method, or this method is used for which type of ores. And water frother, water collector, and it is based on the principle of wetting tendency of the ore and gangue. These are the main points which you have to keep in your mind. These are points generally asked in the examinations.